Hey guys, I'm Umir back with another video. Today we are unboxing the Philips QT1212/15 beard trimmer, and this trimmer is of Philips series 1000. So let's get started. And here's the box of the trimmer, and here's the user manual which I will show you, and you can read this anytime by pausing the video. And I think we don't need this, still you can have a look. And this is the Philips warranty card, and here we have the trimmer combs. The gray one is the 1 millimeter and the other two are having same color, but this is the 5 millimeter and the last one is of 7 millimeters. You can change it with the trimmer anytime to have various length of beard. And here we have the charging cable. They have not included the charging adapter, but they must have included it. But as a budget trimmer, I think it's fine. Here we have the data cable, but the length of the data cable is too small for charging. And now here is the beast. So here we open it, and here's the beast, and it's packed well done, Philips. Let's take it out. And with military green color and black color, it looks really classy. Let's remove this, and just have a look. It's the finish is so cool, and at the back also the texture is so awesome. By holding it looks very cool. And here the self sharpening blades. We can detach it from here, and we can wash this under the tap, and we can clean it without any tension, because it's but the machine of the trimmer is not waterproof. We have to pay attention to this. And again we can just slide it in this way, and we have to press it. And at the bottom side we have the charging port, which is a micro USB port, which is a nice thing again, because if we forget this charging cable anywhere, we can connect to any mobile charger or chargeable device which can be charged. But the charging time of this trimmer is around 6 to 8 hours, as the run time is 30 minutes. The charging time is 6 to 8, and with full charge you can have 30 minutes of uh, run time. Here is an LED indicator. While charging, it turns color green, and even if the charging is completed, it doesn't turn off or blink anything. We have to just take off the charger, and after that, now let's see if there's any juice in this, and let's start. And one thing we have to notice, that there is a lock over here, so while traveling it won't get started. You have to press this button and push it over up, and here's the trimmer has started. And the last content of the box is this small brush, which is used to clean the trimmer video. And here we conclude our unboxing. This trimmer is a budget segment trimmer, but it's having a very good quality, build quality, and the self sharpening blades are also good. There are only two disadvantages of this trimmer: that we have a small charging cable, and there is no charging adapter available in the box. We have to take it or buy it separately. And thank you for watching my video, guys. Please like, share, and comment down the video. If you like such techy content, then let me know in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.